Within a lead management and contact management platform, it's really important to be able to drill down on certain subsets of contacts to remarket and re-engage. The perfect example is our Refinance Opportunities prioritized view in the mortgage system. This can be customized to your needs, and we also have it pre-built out of the box. This is found under the Loans dropdown called Refinance Opportunities. Here, we find all of your opportunities who are eligible for refinance and organize them by interest rate from top to bottom. You can also include various additional filters to really drill into what you're looking for. And we can either allow you to open up your columns and have every user manage them in the way they want to see the data. Or what we can do is we can lock those columns to a particular set of columns to really give you the information you need at your fingertips. Super easy to do. We can also ensure that this particular view is only accessible to certain teams, users, or departments. And to lock the columns a certain way on a particular view, all you have to do is lock columns and you can select and organize them in the way that you want. By keeping this untoggled, this allows the user to go into the columns and organize them in the way that makes the most sense to them. If you have any questions about our Refinance Opportunities view or how to make your own views, let us know.